This is Shiori, a self-hosted bookmark manager written in Go that was built as a Pocket clone 7 years before Mozilla killed Pocket. One binary, your own database, and every article you save gets archived offline on your disk. Pocket's servers are gone and everything on them was deleted. Here's how you make sure that never happens to your reading list again. And before you install it, there's one date in the release history you should see. Stick around for that. Shiori's first commit landed in January 2018, and the readme still says it plainly, intended as a simple clone of Pocket. 8 years later, the clone sits at 11,548 stars and 624 forks, and the original is a shutdown notice. There's something satisfying about that. The disposable copy running on people's home servers outlived the product with the venture funding. It lives under the go-shiori organization, 8 repos, 127 followers, and a public matrix channel. Radi Fadlila wrote the original with 336 commits, and when he moved on, the community picked it up. Today, Felipe Martin carries the maintainer torch with 141 commits, and the last push to master was 2 weeks ago. This is what a healthy handoff looks like in open source. Here's the actual product, a clean card-based web interface where you add, tag, and search bookmarks with a masonry grid that looks better than Pocket ever did. But the same binary is also a full command line app. Shiori add saves a page, Shiori print lists your library, Shiori serve starts the web UI. One tool, 2 faces, and they share the same database so nothing ever drifts out of sync. Setup is about as small as self-hosting gets. Grab the single binary from the releases page or run the Docker image and you're serving on port 8080. By default, it stores everything in SQLite. One file you can back up by copying it. If you're running it for a family or a team, point it at PostgreSQL, MariaDB, or MySQL instead. And the part that matters, where possible, every save parses the readable content and creates an offline archive of the page automatically. Every bookmark gets 2 views, straight from the docs. Reader mode strips the page down to clean text like Pocket's article view. Archive mode keeps the full page, styled as it was, stored locally on your server. The original site can go offline, get paywalled, or delete the post, and your copy still opens. For a Read It Later app, that's the entire point. Migration is built in. Shiori imports and exports the standard Netscape bookmark file that every browser understands, and it has a direct importer for Pocket exports. So if you grabbed your archive before Mozilla's deletion deadline, that file drops straight in. There are also beta web extensions for Firefox and Chrome, so saving a page is one click instead of a copy-paste. All of it documented in the repo you're looking at. This is the whole self-hosting argument on one screen. Pocket shut down on July 8th, 2025. On October 8th, every saved article, highlight, and note on their servers was permanently deleted. That's the deal with Cloud Read It Later. Your library exists at the pleasure of someone's quarterly budget review. On the other side, one Go binary on your box, a SQLite file you can copy anywhere, an offline archive of every page, MIT licensed. Nobody can sunset that. Fair question. Is Shiori even the biggest name here? No, and here's the honest board. Karakeep leads at 27,797 stars with AI tagging, under AGPL. Wallabag, the French veteran, sits at 12,858. Shiori holds third at 11,548, and Linkding is right behind at 10,950. So why feature Shiori? It's the lightest of the 4 by far. One static binary, no app server stack, and the only one where the CLI is a first-class citizen. If you live in a terminal, this is the one. Put the 2 histories side by side and the story writes itself. January 2018. Shiori's first commit, a weekend project Pocket clone. May 2025, Mozilla announces Pocket is done. July 8th, 2025, Pocket goes dark. October 8th, the data is gone for good. September 26th, 2025, Shiori ships v1.8.0, its biggest release in years, right through the middle of it. The clone didn't just survive the original, it shipped through the funeral. Now the date I told you to check, that v1.8.0 release is from September 2025, about 10 months ago, and it's still the latest stable. Commits kept landing through July 2026, but the release cadence here is slow. This is mature software in maintenance gear, not a startup shipping weekly. Judge it accordingly. Second, the browser extensions are still marked beta, so treat one-click saving as a bonus, not a promise. And third, the offline archive is a page snapshot. Text and images capture beautifully, but a heavy JavaScript app won't replay perfectly from an archive. For articles, which is the whole job, it's excellent. Pocket's shutdown was the reminder. anything you save to someone else's cloud is on loan. Shiori is 8 years of steady, boring, dependable open source that fixes that with one binary and a database you own. The repo is linked in the description. Star it, spin it up in Docker tonight, and tell me in the comments which app's shutdown finally pushed you to self-host. Subscribe for weekly finds like this one.